Okay, so Detective Jenny, it's fucking 1:30. I don't like this. I'm gonna guess I am very charged. Is the word I want to use. By the moon. What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Can't think of it. But, so tonight, I was like, oh my gosh, like, I have to go for a second run because the first one did not get my energy out, and it's still 1:30, and I'm still, like, anxiety, like, just not even, I guess anxiety, but just, like, wired through the roof. Like, why on earth am I so wired? And I'm like, okay, you know what? Like, I'm getting messages about the moon. Let's go ahead and let's pull my calendar down off the wall. Let's change it from July to August. So I look, and August 1st. So the thing that I noticed, it says it's basically whatever the night before, whatever a void moon is. I don't know what that is. Obviously, I'm going to have to learn. But so then I thought about a couple months ago when literally, I guess now I'm yawning, thank God. Like, same thing. It was like really late, like not as late as tonight, but I also didn't get the kids down until like freaking 8:30, I think, tonight. So I think by the time I made it out here, it was like 9, and then I don't know. So I decided to look back in my text messages because I knew I had messaged my therapist that night, because that was the night that I put it together of the night of my NDE, being the night of those videos. Man, night. Being the night of those videos that I left you of me going elsewhere and then being extremely confused and coming back. I'm so happy I'm yawning right now. So maybe I can actually finally go to sleep after this. So I decided to look it up. June 4th. So I was doing some stuff and keeping track of like the moon in the way my therapist had. She does a lot to do with manifesting with the moon. So I decided to look it up. So I just wrote this down because the 4th is the night before the void moon. I was like, you gotta be shitting me. I knew that was going to be the case. I just knew it. I knew it was going to be like the same because this felt exactly like how I felt 2 months ago. So I'm wondering if you and I are both experiencing some sort of a pull, some sort of a charge with the moon. I don't know what that means. You know, the void moon, I'm going to have to look that up. Obviously, it's like around the halfway mark. I'm so confused because wait, these ones say void moon in between. So wait, no, okay, so that's what it looks like though, because it's about halfway. I don't know what void moon is. Okay, so that's like every other, but it looks like it's about the halfway point of the moon. So that would be the 2nd, and I could totally feel the anxiety like building up. So kitty cat. So when does it say? Doesn't it say the quarters of the moon on here? Okay, so it doesn't, but that one says last quarter, which you can see it's like the halfway. So when was the quarter of this? Looks like it was, okay. So it's about the time of the quarter of the moon that the anxiety just like builds up like crazy. So I didn't write anything down. I don't remember. Oh, okay. Well, here the night before the quarter moon was I wrote down the itchy rapid finger psoriasis healing. And then So the quarter moon was yesterday on the 31st, which major just felt wired. And then that. So about the time of whatever the third quarter moon is. Last quarter. About the time that is when I experience a ton of, I want to say anxiety, but it's just like feeling wired as shit. So definitely got some learning to do with myself and my body and the moon. I'm gonna have to start paying attention to that and doing the signs and doing the like consistencies, the synchronicities, but like the consistencies to figure this out, because now I'm wondering if that's tied into the anxiety that you and I have both been experiencing, if it's like tied in with the moon.